Although largely known for its seemingly endless coastline, Cape Cod has no shortage of important inland bodies of water. The town of Falmouth is proud to call itself home to one of these bodies of water, known as Salt Pond. Along with providing the town with a small trail system, Salt Pond is a reminder to the public of Falmouth's significant history of land conservation and one of its key organizations. The history of Salt Pond begins with the dedication of 2 residents of Falmouth towards protecting the environment. Thanks to the efforts of Ermine Lovell, founder of the Salt Pond Committee of the Massachusetts Audubon Society, an empty parcel of 8 acres set for development has grown into a 35-acre permanently protected preserve. Before the development project could proceed, Lovell raised money to purchase the land from the directors of Falmouth Associates in August of 1961, placing a conservation restriction held to this day by the Massachusetts Audubon Society.
She persisted and ultimately got the consent from the Falmouth Associates to acquire the property in 1961.
Following this purchase, Lovell transitioned her organization from part of the Massachusetts Audubon Society into its own nonprofit conservation organization in 1962, known today as the Salt Pond Area's Bird Sanctuaries, which has grown to preserve over 250 acres of Falmouth land. Surrounding the vast body of water are 2 different series of trails, each providing their own experience for visitors. The smaller and simpler system can be accessed from both Pierce and Pondlet Place, a connecting pair of roads off Mill Road. About a quarter mile in total, the main trail leads along the northern end of the pond, with multiple banks allowing for a stellar view of the water, ending at the Shining Sea Bikeway. This trail also contains a diverse landscape, consisting mostly of plain grass, then transitioning into a small boardwalk with tall reeds along the sides. While accessible from Pondlet Place, the road is a private neighborhood, so it is requested by residents that visitors park elsewhere. For those seeking a location to get their steps in while experiencing everything the pond has to offer, a larger, more complex system of trails can be found leading along the western side of the water. Parallel to the Shining Sea Bikeway and the farthest from the water is a quarter-mile trail known as Wissacassett Road, which leads northwest through the Salt Pond Acres wildlife area. The Swan Trail is closest to the pond, with several small paths leading directly to the vast body of water. Between the two is Agawam Road, which is the trail connecting directly to the small parking area. This long winding trail creates interconnectedness among the trails, with several paths including Tom's Trail linking it to Swan Trail. Multiple benches can be found within the property, including one along the Swan Trail and 2 at its intersection with Wissacassett Road. A small parking area next to the bikeway on Elm Road provides access to the trail network, along with multiple small paths connecting directly to the Shining Sea Bikeway. This connection of trails provides visitors with easy access to the water while also letting them traverse a greater area within the woods. Along with an opportunity to walk through nature and relax at the side of the pond, visitors can be amazed by the diverse bird populations inhabiting the property. Several aquatic bird species can be found inhabiting the water. Near a pond access point along the Swan Trail, a large osprey nest can be found floating on the water, a structure giving the protected species a safe place to raise their young. With all these incredible organisms, Salt Pond is the perfect location in Falmouth for enthusiastic birdwatchers to spend their day. Salt Pond in Falmouth serves as a reminder to the people of the natural beauty within their town. Salt Pond Area's Bird Sanctuaries encourages residents and visitors of Falmouth alike to visit the wonderful properties in their area to appreciate what the world around them has to offer. For more information on Salt Pond and other properties, visit saltpondsanctuaries.org.